In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using it for work calls or virtual gatherings, setting a unique ringtone can help you track incoming calls more effectively and personalize your experience. Let's dive into the process and ensure that you have a simple, customized setup on Microsoft Teams. To get started, make sure you have Microsoft Teams open on your device. This can be either the desktop application or the web version, whichever you typically use. Once Teams is open, pay attention to the navigation bar on the left-hand side. This bar contains various icons, including your activity, chat, calendar, and files, just to name a few. Look for the icon that resembles a gear or might simply be labeled as Settings. This is crucial because we'll be accessing the settings to make the necessary adjustments to your ringtone. After locating and clicking the Settings icon, a new window or a sidebar should appear displaying various options. In this menu, you'll find a section labeled Calls or something similar. Click on this section to open up the call settings. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to tailor your calling experience according to your preferences. Within the call settings, scroll down and locate the Ringtones section. This is what allows you to change the default ringtone that plays when you receive a call through Teams. Depending on the version you're using, you might find a drop-down menu or a few different ringtone options listed. Spend a moment listening to the different ringtones available. Simply click on each option to play and assess whether it resonates with how you want your calls to sound. Once you find a ringtone that you like, make sure to select it. It should be as simple as clicking on the option or checking a box next to it. At this point, it's important to make sure your selection has been saved. In some instances, Microsoft Teams automatically saves your choice, while in others there might be a Save button. If you see one, definitely give it a click to confirm your changes. And there you have it. Your new ringtone is all set up in Microsoft Teams. This small change can significantly impact your daily routine, especially when managing multiple conversations and meetings. Remember that you can revisit this process anytime you like. Feel free to experiment with different tones depending on your mood or professional needs. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more tips on optimizing your Microsoft Teams experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy customizing!